Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step guide on how you can be able to send and receive cryptocurrency without being charged on Binance Pay. Yes, with Binance Pay I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to make payments online. So for those of you who sell online and you are looking for a way to receive your money, using Binance Pay will be able to make everything easy for you, and then you can be able to receive your fund wherever you are, anywhere in the world. So with Binance Pay, you can be able to buy gift card, you can be able to buy airtime, you can be able to pay for your bills, either paying for your hotel and whatever you want to do online. With what I'm going to be sharing with you right now in this video, you will see how you can be able to do all of these things at ease in the comfort of your home and enjoy the best of Binance. All you just need to do is to stick to the very end so you don't miss any single part, as I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to use the Binance Pay to make payment and receive payment without being charged. If you're joining for the first time, my name is Kelechi Logan Franklin. All you just need to do right now is to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification so you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. Please give this video a like so that more people can be able to see this video. Without wasting much time, let's get started, as I'm going to show you how you can be able to use the Binance Pay. Now, once you're in your Binance app, all you just need to do right now is to come down to this down area where you will see your wallet. So once you click on your wallet, you will see your wallet area where you will see your overview, spot, funding, margin, and your future with other wallets in which you have. We are going to be using the funding aspect, so all you just need to do right now is to go to your funding wallet, either at the top here or at this corner. So once you click on it, it will take you to this particular next page where you will see deposit, withdraw, and transfer. So if you don't have any fund in your funding wallet, all you just need to do is to purchase it either from P2P, or you receive cryptocurrency from other wallets in which you might have, or from someone close to you. I will leave the link of the video where I shared how you can be able to use the peer-to-peer to purchase crypto. I'll leave the link in the description, so do well to watch that video so you can be able to know how you can be able to buy cryptocurrency using the peer-to-peer aspect. So once you're able to purchase your coin from your peer-to-peer, the very next thing you need to do is to come to this very area where you will see transfer. Once you click on the transfer area, you will see where it will ask you transfer from your funding to your spot. So assuming you have crypto from in your spot wallet already and you want to transfer it to your funding wallet, all you just need to do is to come to this area where we will see transfer from. So at the top here, assuming I want to transfer from my spot wallet to my funding wallet, all I have to do right now is ensure that I come here and set it up. Now they will ask me which of the coins do I want to use in this particular transaction. All I have to do is to come here and I select the particular coin, put in the amount, and then click on transfer. Once you have been able to do this, your coin will be in your funding wallet. Now once you're in your funding wallet, all you just need to do in order for you to access the Binance Pay is to come to this area where you will see the Binance Pay. All you just need to do is to click on it. So once you click the Binance Pay, to bring you to this very next page where you will see your Binance Pay ID. This is your Binance Pay ID. This is what you can be able to send to someone who will be able to send crypto for you without being charged as well. So assuming someone wants to send for me crypto, or I want to receive crypto from someone, all I have to do is to copy this ID and send to the person in order for the person to search my account and then send my phone to me. So right now, assuming I want to send crypto to someone, all I have to do is to come to this aspect here at the top and click on send in order for me to send to someone. So I have the option for me to use the person's email in which the person using registering his or her Binance app and then send the phone to the person. Or I can have the option to use the phone number in which the person using registering his or her Binance in order for me to send the amount I want to send to the person. I can also use the person's Pay ID or the Binance ID. These are what I have the option to use in order for me to send that. So I'm going to be using one of my Pay ID in which I'm going to use for this particular example. So all I have to do is to come here and I type it out and then click on continue. So once I click on continue, it will bring me to this very next page where I have the option for me to be able to choose the currency in which I want to send to the person, and then I can decide also to put in a note in which I want to put in the particular description. This note is like a description depending on what you are doing. So right now, let me say that I want to send USD for instance, and I want to send 100 USDT. All I have to do is to type it out. I come to this add note and I will now type in some note. Let me say payment payment for service, and I click on continue. And once I click on continue, to bring me to this very next page. In this very next page, you will see the person's ID, which is the summary of what you are about to do. You will see the amount. You will see the amount here in which I want to send to the individual, and then you will see the note in which I put in the description, and then you will see the payment method, which is coming from my funding wallet or my spot wallet, and you see the current amount or payment currency in which I want about to use. Once I've been able to confirm all of this summary, all I have to do is click on continue, and once you click on continue, you will have the option your verification code in which you need to confirm your transaction. Your verification code can be your phone number together with your email account, or it can be your password code in which you normally use for whatever transaction you are doing. All you just need to do is to put it on and then submit it, and these funds will be sent to the individual. Now, in the case where you want to receive funds from someone, all you just need to do is to come to this receive aspect and click on receive. And once you click on the receive, you have the option for you to send this QR code to the individual in order for you to receive your fund to the person. But you can always customize this in order to make it more easier to the person. All you just need to do is to come to this area here where you have to put in the amount and send to the person. So assuming you want to put in the amount, all you just need to do is to click on the amount, and you come to this top area here, put in the currency. Either you want to receive PNB, USDT, Ethereum, or whatever cryptocurrency of your choice. All you just need to do is to come here, you click on it in order for you to select the currency that you want to use. Let me say I want to receive USDT, and then you have the option for you to put in the amount. Let me say I want to receive $100 from 100 USDT from the individual, and then I can decide to put in some little bit description. Let me say that I just put a little bit description like KC official, for example, and I click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will automatically generate your QR code with this particular $100. All you just need to do is to send this QR code to the individual, or you copy your pay ID and send to the individual. Once you are able to do this, the person will be able to send for you this particular $100, and you will receive it to your wallet directly. This is one way you can be able to do this very easily. Another thing you can do on the Binance Pay is for you to buy airtime of your choice. You can decide to buy airtime directly using your cryptocurrency in which you have in your wallet directly to your phone. All you just need to do is to click on this. So guys, once you click on the mobile top up, it will bring you to the very next page where you have the option for you to choose the country in which you want to top up, for the phone number in which you want to top up. You also have the option for you to put in the phone number. So once you've been able to put in the phone number, all you just need to do is to click on view top up plan. And once you click on this view top up plan, you will be able to see the plans in which you can be able to buy or purchase for the individual. Let's say that this particular operator, that his or her line is Airtel, MTN, Glo, or depending on the particular line the person is using, all you just need to do is to click on it. Name say I click on Airtel Nigeria, and once I click on Airtel Nigeria, I will come to this plan area where I have to select the plan. All I have to do is to come to this area, look at the plans in which it is available. Always look at these particular options here. You see the plans, not this dollar area, but this particular naira area where you see the plans in which you want to send. So let me say that I want to send 1,000 naira worth of airtime to the individual, and I just tap on it. All I have to do redness is just to click on continue. I have the option for me to make the payment, but before then you will see the summary of what you want to do. Confirm that you want to send 1,000 naira to this particular destination, and you click on confirm transaction and you make your payment. And aside from that, you can also make payment to your electricity bill. You can pay for transport, you can also pay for your gift card or purchase gift card or make payments online, and you can also pay for games depending on what you want to do using this particular Start mobile top up. All of these things is what you can be able to do. You can pay for your DSTV and all of that all from here. All you just need to do is to understand how it works, and then you get started with it. Now if you come back to your particular home page on your Binance Pay, you will also see the option for you to be able to make payment to other hotels, make payment to buy gift card, and you can also do other purchases of your choice online. All you just need to do is to come to one of this area here where you see live on crypto. Let me say I choose on this CoinGate. Once I click on this CoinGate, for instance, it will load up, and once it load up like this, you see the option for you to make payment to either a hotel, you make payment to other online transaction of your choice, and all of that. You can see different things in which you can make payment online and all of that. You can make payment to eBay, you you can make payment to Apple, and whatever of your choice that you want to make payment to. All of these things can be found in this particular area. All you just need to do is just to search on them and then get started. So for those of you who are looking for a way to make payment using your crypto, you have this option for you to do that. So you can book for a hotel, you can buy gift card, you can buy anything of your choice on particular Binance Pay. So all you just need to do is use your crypto to purchase what you want, and then you get what you want. So if you got value from this video, do me a favor by liking this video and subscribe if you have not done so. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and turn on the notification. This is one way you can show your boy some love so that you don't miss any of my subsequent video. See you on my next video. Stay safe. Peace.